Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to fix CS2 4.3 like 60 Hz problem. So what you need to do is just go to your settings and then in here go to the video and then in here you'll see the display mode. So what you need to do is just go to the window mode and then click on apply changes. So in here you need to go back to full screen. And then now you can just choose any of the hairs in here. And then when you are done with this, just click on apply changes. And then you can also just change the resolution. So let's make it this one. So as you guys can see, we just changed it to hertz. So this is how to fix CS2 4.3 like 60 Hz problem in 2025. See you guys in the next tutorial.